Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. Today's video is dropshipping profitable? So, we're going to answer the question. Let's get started. Alright guys, welcome back. So today's question is dropshipping profitable? And the answer to that is depends really on the product that you're importing, all right, and the margins that you have in that product and the scale that you're reaching. So what I'm saying is, if you have a product that has margins of $4 or $5, and I know many dropshippers out there that are actually making $4 to $5 per product, right, but they're only selling maybe about 10 a week, they're not making money, all right? But if your margin on your particular product is 20, 30, 40, 100, maybe $200, and you're selling maybe about 20 or 30 of these a week, or even more than that, okay, so you're scaling up, then your potential profit on these particular products is quite high. So what I'm saying, guys, is it all depends really on the product that you're importing or the product that you're dropshipping, right? And the margins and the scale that you're doing. So I think a lot of dropshippers don't really scale up. It takes them forever to sort of scale up, and they don't spend really any money on advertising. They're sort of relying on Uncle Google, or they're sort of relying on Mother Amazon to do all the traffic for them. If you have an awesome product and people are selling an awesome margin and it's selling like crazy, then my advice to you would be to scale up on that product as soon as you possibly can. All right, scale up, spend money on advertising, jump on Facebook ads, send them to your Shopify store, send them to your website, and start scaling it up. All right, guys. So if you also, one more thing, what I would say if you're looking to start a Shopify store, a dropshipping store, is test the market. You don't know whether or not the product that you're importing is actually going to be a good product. So you want to make sure that you test the market beforehand. Very easy to do. All you need to do is you can test it on eBay, you can test it on your own web store, you can pre-sell and test some products. If they sell, then go for it. If they don't sell, then drop them. All right, drop them like a ton of bricks. Hope today's video has been helpful, guys. If you have any other questions, please feel free to connect with me. If you want a free course on dropshipping, you can jump on my website below. Okay, the link's below. Drop it on. If you have any questions or comments, or would like to share this video with somebody who's interested in starting a dropshipping business, please do as well. My name's Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining me. Have an awesome day and happy dropshipping. See you later.